Hi there! Welcome to this quick tip tutorial on pinning. Pinning is a useful modification to strengthen the bond between two parts where the connecting surface is small, making a bond of superglue weak and insufficient. I will demonstrate this modification on Kane Somos from FFG's Star Wars Imperial Assault, where I will attach to a resin base. The tools and materials I'll be using in this tutorial are a marking pen, a 1mm hobby drill, side cutters, a paper clip, super glue, a hobby knife, a palette and some paint. I will begin by marking the feet of the model where the holes should be drilled, placing them so that the hole can be drilled up through the leg. If you happen to go all the way through, you can fill the hole with some putty. A depth of 1 cm should be sufficient. Rotate the drill counterclockwise to release the spiral of plastic. I will now cut a piece of paper clip a few centimeters in length. The piece can then be attached to the model with super glue. Pinning can also be used to mount the miniature on polystyrene foam or cork, for ease of painting, in which case the paperclip piece should be longer. This is very useful when painting miniatures in separate parts. Holes need also be drilled in the base. I will mark out the location by adding paint to the ends of the pins and positioning the miniature on the base. After the holes have been drilled, I will check out how much of the pins that need to be cut off. The miniature can then be glued onto the base. I will add super glue to both the pins and the underside of the feet for extra stability. And that marks the end of this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.